bridge town through candlelight haze. He dreamed of the cosmos and counted the days. An apple fell softly, and so began the thought that the heavens could bow to man. From moon to tide, from earth to sky, he asked not how far, but why the apple and the stars? What law binds them all? From the smallest of stones to the planet's call. Invisible hands, the pull of grace, holding all matter in time and space. He saw the arc of the falling rain, the curve of the moon in its endless chain. Through numbers and reason, through sleepless nights, he captured the force that shapes our heights. The universe whispered, vast yet small. One law of motion rules them all. The apple and the stars, one truth, one song. Gravity's thread where all belong. From the heart of the earth to the edge of Mars, he joined the apple to the stars. The orbits sing, the tides obey, the galaxies turn the Newton way. Yet even he knew what lies beyond. Mystery still, to which we're drawn. The apple and the stars, his gift remains, the key that unlocked the cosmic chains. Forever we reach, forever we are the children of the apple and the stars. So when you feel the world below, remember the pull that makes it so. From earth to heaven, near and far, the apple and the stars. The apple and the stars.